Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Trust Wallet using an easy method. First, you'll need to download the official Trust Wallet application from your device's app store. It's crucial to verify you're getting the correct app to protect your assets. Once downloaded, open the app and tap on Create a New Wallet to start your journey. This initial step is quick and straightforward, getting you ready for secure cryptocurrency management. Next, you'll encounter your 12-word recovery phrase, which is incredibly important. This phrase is the master key to your entire wallet, so treat it with the utmost care. Write it down accurately on a piece of paper and store it in a secure, private place, perhaps even two separate locations. Remember, never share this phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to your digital assets. Trust Wallet will never ask for it. After carefully noting your recovery phrase, you'll be prompted to confirm it by entering the words in the correct sequence. This step ensures you've recorded it accurately. Following this, set up a strong passcode or enable biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID for quick and secure daily access to your wallet. Congratulations! Your Trust Wallet is now successfully created and ready for you to start managing your cryptocurrencies with ease. Now that your wallet is set up, here are a few essential usage tips. Always double-check the recipient's address before sending any cryptocurrency to avoid irreversible losses. Stay vigilant against phishing attempts. Never click on suspicious links or respond to unsolicited messages asking for your recovery phrase. Finally, consider regularly backing up your recovery phrase in multiple secure, offline locations for maximum peace of mind. Happy crypto managing!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.